Hey everyone, I'm Kristen, and welcome to another episode of Pro Tips. Today, I want to share a tip on watching YouTube videos on your Android device, even when you're not in the app. When you have YouTube's picture-in-picture mode turned on, you can leave the YouTube app, and that video will keep playing on the home screen, even when other apps are open. You can also move the video window to different corners of the screen. If you want to go back to the YouTube app, just double-tap it. To dismiss the video that's playing, just swipe the video player downward. Now, we'll show you how to enable this. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Then tap Settings. Tap General. Now, you can toggle picture-in-picture to enable or disable this feature. We've included more info about this in the description below. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching!